I'm Chad Owen, the Annuity Sales Coach. In 2007, I was $150,000 in credit card debt, and now I've written over $155 million in annuity production as a solo producer. I make my own calls, schedule my own appointments, do my own follow-up, and I'm actively in the field just like you. If you've hit a rough patch in your business, you're not alone. I've helped agents overcome and find success on a daily basis, and now many write over $1 million or more each month. Let me help you do the same. Buckle up, it's time to go to school with the Annuity Sales Coach.
Hello everyone, Chad Owen with Retirement Realized Agents Academy. Hey guys, guess what? I am in Germany right now, and there's a cool looking bridge. We're actually doing a river cruise, and I'm gonna keep spinning around. Okay, my wife's coming back around. What I wanna share with you though, is so cool the industry we actually get to be in, because I remember when I was in sales before, I never got to celebrate with my wife, with my family, and it was kind of interesting because we would do these awards trips and we wouldn't be able to take our family with us. But in our industry, we actually do get to do that. And as you know, it's a lot about lifestyle. It's about what we get to do. It's not how much money we make. It's not necessarily how many policies we close. Obviously, that all has an effect on what we can do, but what we get to do is help people protect their money. And all while doing that, we get to enjoy family time. We get to enjoy times and trips with our family to be able to get away and do things. And that's what I want to encourage you. Don't just focus so much on the money side of things, because that's actually has very little to do with what we do. We get to change people's lives. We get to leave a legacy. And that's what we're doing right now. Hanging out with my wife once again. We do this about every month and a half. We go on trips, and about 2 times a year, we're able to take our entire family with us. So guys, you have a great day. Happy selling.
This is Chad Owen. If you've enjoyed this free training, be sure to like, comment, subscribe, and ring the bell so you can stay up to date with my weekly annuity training. If you're looking for deeper coaching, go to rragentsacademy.com and sign up for instant access to over 45 hours of content, along with my monthly training and Q&A calls. You deserve success, and I can help you get there faster.